Hello everyone, we are going to talk about remote control function of equipment. Accelerate technology and your ear. Traditional way to solve issue of equipment just by equipment engineer manpower. I can say that the last work at the fab is equipment engineer in the future. For example, issue occurred. Contact the equipment engineer. Then equipment engineer get ready with his clean suit and his menu and his easy tool. Then equipment engineer entry to the fab and operate equipment to solve the issue. It cost about 0.5 hour, half hour to solve the most easy issue. Even we can say that it's a routine issue. This condition is almost solved by equipment engineer execute self-clean, self-calibration, self-initialize, and so on, the easy command. So this easy, simple issue just can solved by routine operation. To let the equipment do the self-clean, self-calibration, self-initialize. But wait for equipment engineer to solve it to execute this order cost 0.5 hour every action each case. Now we are reducing the time. We use the remote control function of equipment. It's necessary to have it. First of all, the remote control function let engineer can set remote control level at the most basic operator OP level. This OP level just can remote control the order just like self-clean, self-calibration, and self-initialization. We set the remote control level at OP level to let CIN execute this basic order, just basic order. And about the engineering or service level cannot be remote control operated so easily, so just use the OP level to let CIN can execute basic order to solve easy issue. Then you can say that, for example, the condition is that issue occurred and contact CIN automatically. CIN get issue data and then CIN judge to execute action according to AIMP, AITDB, and AIJP we talked about before. Then CIN execute basic order automatically. The basic order just including the self-calibration, self-initialize, and so on by the remote control function. It just costs almost no time. 0.1 seconds can done it. So you can see that depending the manpower costs 0.5 hour, half hour, and depend on the CIN automatically action costs just 0.1 second. So the benefit is the easy calculate 1000 chamber LFAB, total 1000 chamber LFAB, and we have this kind of easy solving each rate per day, just 10%, and each action takes you half hour, 0.5 hour, and 1 year, 365 days. You can see that every year we saved 18,250 working hours to save. Save the time also means that we short this time to accelerate technology and your year. As we talked about last time, we got to short the time to do this easy work instead of manpower. So use the automatic remote control to save manpower, to earn the time, to accelerate your technology and the year, to increasing your competition capability. Okay, let's all see you next time.